Hello and welcome by another video of the Mad Prophecy channel. Things are heating up, Bitcoin is rising, things are on the rise. Steam has made more than 200% in 2 days or so. So stay tuned, we have a lot to talk about. First, thank you for the likes and reputation in my trading view. It's already above 1000 and the followers are more than 38 and the likes are growing. Thank you everybody for the support so far. Let's go directly to Bitcoin and to the chart. BTC USD. Like a minute ago, Bitcoin was crossing 5,800 and most probably it's already above this level. Let's see with how much. Okay, $5,832. That's great. I think this explosive move is really exciting. You know that I think that we're currently moving into a range, and the range is everything between 6,000 and 4,500. And right now we're trying to break out of this range. As you can see, as of this moment we did not have a close above these two big candles here, but right now it seems like Bitcoin wants to really make it. And just to put it into perspective, you should know that all of this here is a beautiful gap that has to be closed. So if we go above 6k strong and with confidence, is totally not out of the question that we can test at least 7,500 or something like this. First 7,000 of course, but as I'll show you how things are developing on the lower time frames. Let's take this out. This we will not need right now. So as mentioned earlier, we are moving into this range here, and the range was and still is defined by these two big important lines. The 6,001 hop or close to the 6,000 mark, and then the 4,500. And we've been moving into this range for quite some time now, and now we are going to test the range high, which is around here. And if we manage to break it, we have a big gap to close, at least to around 7,000. We have still room to grow. If we kind of don't get the chance to go above 6,000, we will again go for the range lows, yes, and probably do something like this. And if we do not manage to bounce strongly, go down. But as of now, things do look better, and I totally think that Bitcoin is looking strong, even as all the stocks are crumbling and oil is at prices I personally never thought we will see, or at least not so soon, no, not this soon. But as you can see, stocks right now, there is still some time until they open, but they do not look good at all. And the crude oil is looking terrible, to be honest. Gold is taking a hit as well, but we talked about gold, and I do think that if it closes below its 200 days moving average, it will see some more downsides. But let's not talk about this, let's talk about Bitcoin. And right now things are looking really good. We're still moving into this range, and as I said, do not overtrade the range because it will take all your money. Yesterday everybody and the day before as well was thinking that once and as we went down this strong and this sharply, this here was just a retest, and then we will again go down. But guess what happened? we went up. Then everybody thought, okay, that's the middle of the range, but we go down, and we had these weeks to the downside, but these were just fake outs. We then resumed really fast, and guess what? Yesterday at around 5,500, again everybody was screaming, "We go down, we go down," and guess what happened? We are going up. Don't play the range game. You will not win it, and if you are over leveraged, you'll lose with certainty. These big exchanges and these big platforms are gathering your data into a data pool, and all the people that are trading their data is being gathered as well. And when the data is big enough, guess what? They do the opposite and you lose. Do not over leverage if you use leverage at all. And do not trade too much into the range. As it is now, I would say that if we see some strong resistance here, that we will most probably see at around $6,000. If you entered here, or if you entered here on lower, what I did, be sure to take some profits at these levels. It's not said that we'll stop here, but if you lock the profit, guess what? The market cannot take the profit from you, so you'll beat most of the traders out there that will wait for a big move right away. That might happen, but it might not. And we might go for the range lows, and then all the profits that you earned with a lot of effort and a lot of cold-blooded execution of trades, they just return to the market, and this is what you do not want. So be sure to not behave like this and not return all your profits to the market. As you can see, there have been some spectacular, some incredible altcoins moving up with percentages in the triple digits, and data has made 146% so far. Steam went to about 200%, and then it went down a little bit, but still it looks incredible. Steam went to 200% and then returned. Altcoins are going for a leaf rally, and I do think that we see some more green, at least if the whole thing here is not some plot, so that most of the people can enter the market, and then all the traders with big positions decide to dump BTC at 6k, and then all the people that entered altcoins again because of these big pumps here get dumped on, and they get nothing. This is a possibility as well, so do not oversize your positions and trade with only as much as you are ready to lose. Again, this is not financial advice. Trading and investing right now bears incredible high risk, and you do this at your own risk. But this aside, the markets look good, and for the first time they look bullish, moderately bullish, and with caution I'll be looking at the 6,000 level, and let's see what happens. Yes, until then, try to observe the markets, not overtrade, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and yeah, oh, I forgot, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and until next time, bye.